This is Noah Dodd, reporting live from Hawaii Green Earth Farms. This just in, between tropical bands, Darby and Bonnie, the storm's passing. We have a giant Zuckerburg. So this thing right here is 20-day-old giant marrow. And the question is, folks, will we survive the storm, the tropical storm rain, high rains, and the explosion? Will the Zuckerburg become the Hindenburg? More to come after tropical storms pass. This newscast has been sponsored by the non-metaverse and makers of non-metaverse. Thank you, Zuckerberg.